an album, Love, Lust, Faith, and Dreams, that was very different, but I think really important. I think when we look back on it, it's going to be a crucial period for us. It's important to follow your gut and your heart, and I think that, your purpose really comes out in hindsight probably most of the time. Yes,
right,
ma'am.
2 more. This is Syra, and what is your name?
Nicole.
All right, Syra, you go first. She has beautiful makeup on.
Thank you. So what did you think about the movie The Core with your song, Echelon?
I never saw it.
You should see it.
You should see it.
Okay. Okay,
This is the new Siskel and Ebert, by the way.
Anybody else have a question?
Go ahead.
In the back. Oh, sorry, you don't want the back.
Actually, mine was for Shannon. Did you find your parking okay at the Hollywood Bowl? Because I told you to stay right, and I was like, I hope he doesn't get lost.
That's your question?
That's awesome.
Hold
No,
on,
she
going
was.
back.
I remember you, and you said, "I'll see you there. I'll see you at KROQ." Yeah, she was working at the Hollywood Bowl.
Yes. I found it. Thank you.
You want a hug? Come on.
Don't let go. Security in 3, 2, 1, split. Very good. All right, goodbye. Good job. Tomo, I feel a little, do you mind if I give you a hug? Security. All right, release. Release.
Oh, yes.
Don't release. Okay. All right, you guys want to hear some music? Thank you, Jared Leto, so much for everything over the years and being so supportive to myself and KROQ. Tomo, thank you.
Hey, and
Shannon,
feel free, if anybody knows the words, even if you don't know the words, just pretend. Sing as loud as you can. Because I am definitely going to cough and sound pretty terrible, but I guarantee this is going to be amazing regardless, okay?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, at the KROQ Red Bull Sound Space and those watching on the internet, here you go, 30 Seconds to Mars.
I love it. We don't even know what we're playing. Typical 30 Seconds to Mars. Is everything on? We got the PA on? All set, Francois? Anybody want their money back? I managed to get through without coughing. I think it was a special one. I was feeling it, y'all. Oh man, you're gonna be so sick the next 3 weeks. Can't wait. Payback's a bitch. Y'all wonder why we had those rubber gloves on, didn't you? Anyway, any requests? I have 2 words, blow me. Anybody else? There's always a free bird, you know? There's always a free bird. Where you at, baby? Hold on, I'm unbuttoning one more button on my shirt just to get a little Antonio Banderas in here. Are you guys feeling good? You good? You good? How many people are skipping out on work right now? How many people are skipping out on school? You sound like me. Hi, come here. Come here, what's your name?
Emily.
And where are you from?
Foothill.
Foothill? Oh, you're so cute. Are you having fun?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna sing another song now, okay?
City of Angels.
Hey, where you going? I want her back. I guess we're playing City of Angels. Hey, you guys, seriously, you're gonna have to sing with me, okay? Because I don't. This is a maybe, you know. It's very high. I always punish myself when I write songs. Fuck. Excuse me.